In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover Gryphline account password. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link user.gryphline.com/login. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Gryphline. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to recover your password, what you have to do is click on this option forget password that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to reset your password. First of all, enter the email address over here. Click on the field of email address. Now after you do that, simply provide the email address associated with your account. Now after you enter the email, what you have to do is click on this option get code that you can see on the screen. Now the code will be sent to your email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. You can see over here Gryphline has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the Gryphline tab. Now what you have to do is enter the verification code over here. After you do that, create the new password for yourself. Click on the field of enter password. Now simply create the password. Your password must be 8 to 30 characters long and it must include both letters and number. Now re-enter the password. Make sure the password matches. Now after you do that, click on this option OK that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the password change will be successful. Now what you have to do is simply log into your account using the new password. So for that, what you have to do is simply enter your email address and enter the new password over here. Now click on the option login and you'll be logged into your account using the new password. So that is how you recover Gryphline account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.